everyone, today let's talk about a product that will take you back in time, in the times of the Rajas and the Maharajas. Our favorite, the darbaan showpiece. They are 36 inch in height or almost 3 feet. Place them outside your door and it will look as if a real sentry is guarding your entrance. These are handmade, beautifully crafted by our artisans and are made in India. Perfect gift for housewarming and other important occasions. The detailing is beautiful. Made of solid wood, the designs are hand painted on these darbaans.